Yeah. Oh, I love that. That gave me goosebumps, to be honest with you, as you were talking about it, because, there's so many things that, women do that what society says leaders is you gotta be, what, a CEO to be a leader, and that's the only leader out there, but just like you said, there's so many other things that if you're making an impact on someone besides
Mhm.
yourself, you're a leader,
Yeah. And that
you know?
includes stay-at-home moms,
Yeah.
right? They are running the show.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
it's when they get sick, everybody knows, right?
Absolutely.
So,
Oh, especially the
yeah.
stay-at-home moms.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah.
yeah,
They are
yeah.
running a big ship for sure.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah. Now I'm curious, what is one thing, Dr. Donna, you think, could make the world an even better place?
I truly believe that more people need to live in their purpose, and that to find your purpose, just look at what you're good at and what you're passionate about.